give you guys a tour of my co-wife's compound. They are the only people staying in this compound, and they have a lot of veggies and fruits. Here is mango, Igbo mango. I don't know the name of this species, but I grew up and people was calling this mango Igbo mango. So nke a bụ Igbo mango. This is her cage for this thing, rearing of animal, abi some animal, fowl. And this is guava tree. It's still growing. And bitter leaf, onubu. This one kaneto is still growing. This is another bitter leaf here. And this side we have a lot of plantain tree. This place we have plantain, mango, guava, bitter leaf. Let's be going. And this thing look very fresh. It's very fresh. Let's be going. You guys can see that. Bitter leaf. We have plantain. A lot of plantain trees are here. See, a lot of plantain trees are here. All those plantains that you people normally see in my vlog is from here. Oh, my co-wife now. I arrange me. So I'm enjoying the fruit of our labor. There are so many things here. Okay. Bitter leaf kanagakwa. Look at this one, is looking small. Maybe this one is banana. Can you guys see that? Maybe this one is banana. I don't know. And this is plantain. Definitely I'm going with this. Anna Jaka with this plantain. And see the other one up there. That one is not fully ripe or ready to eat, but this one is fully ripe. Yeah. So, and here we have orange. Yes, it's still growing. This is orange tree. And we have pear here. This one was planted by the son. I don't know why the space is not much. I don't know if this one will be able to grow or this one will overgrow this one. I don't know. But this one is pear. I don't know if it is avocado pear or those small pears. That one. I don't know what they call that one. So this is orange and this is pear. And here we have dead tomatoes, I think. And we have cocoyam here. It's still growing a day. Yeah. Oh, I'm not going to talk about these things. Hey, it's very sweet to know that I know the names of all these. And here we have mango. This one is still growing. Yes, now this is mango tree. This is the leaf now, is it not? So we have mango here, and we have, hey, what's the name of this thing again? Water leaf. We have water leaf here. We have dead tomatoes, but maybe it will still grow. And we have pumpkin, ugu. Yeah, we have ugu here. It's still growing. Okabewe kaofuma. Yeah, it's not fully ripe or ready to use. It's still small. And here was this. We have ugu. Yeah, still ugu. Bitter leaf. And what's going on over there? We have there. Can you guys see that? That is the leaf of cocoyam. That's how it looks. And yeah, that's it. It's still growing. It's not fully ready to use or ripe or to cultivate. Yeah, that also is not yet mature. Yes, I've shown this one to them. It's not yet mature. Ma oyibo ba abala. And okay, my husband said that this is banana. Hey, I thought as much. This is bananas. And this one is banana.
It's a different species.
Okay, this species and this species aren't the same. Are you guys seeing that? This species is different from this, and this banana tree doesn't grow tall. It can't grow past like this. Yes, you know, go feed do. You know, go how they take the talk am. You know, go do pass himself. It won't grow past this stage or level, and this different species to this one. Yeah. And we have scent leaf. That is what is going on here. We have scent leaves here. Can you guys see it? Yeah, kalakbo scent leaf. Oh no, aribo. Nchuangu. About umbrella, because I know that umbrella is also nchuangu. Nchangu. Let me know, guys. Say rubbish. This is scent leaf. This one is Nkono from house. Yeah. So we have scent leaf, ugu, and over here, scent leaf is still going on here. Yeah, it's still growing. See it here. It's still growing, and we have pawpaw. This pawpaw is not fully mature. It's still growing, so that's why you are not seeing any seed, or it's not, you know, it's not bringing out anything for now. It's still growing. And what again? What's this? Let me get a bit. What's the quacker pineapple? Yeah. Oh my god. And guys, see this one? This is pineapple. It's still growing. It's not yet matured. Can you guys see that my comment? Oh god. We need to buy a land for her, so that she'll be cultivating all these things. Planting all these things and harvesting it after cultivation. After planting. So this is pineapple. It's still growing. Scent leaf is still here. This is pineapple. And see, this is like curry. I think this is curry leaf. Can you guys see that? I don't know if I'm wrong. This is curry leaf. And let me move back so that you guys can see. Can you guys see that? No, there are still a lot of things to show you guys. So can you guys see that? Still have scent leaf here. Odoka fresh from the farm. See scent leaf here. Yeah, that is what is still going on here. And what's this? This is flower. No. This is coconut. This is coconut. It's not yet mature. It's still growing. That is why you are not seeing any seed. So okabeluda stage. It's still growing. So see it here. This says coconut. Let me zoom it so that you guys can see that. Yeah. And what again was there? This is miracle leaf. I think in Lagos, what we call this thing is miracle leaves. And they said that this thing is good for cough, for toothache. I don't know. That's what my husband used to tell me. This thing, it always brings issue between us. Like this leaf, my sister-in-law children say, anytime they have cough, they will be like, Mommy, I want leave. Mommy, I want leave. So I think that miracle leaf. So this is miracle leaf. If you know the benefit of this, according to what people used to say, is a must-have in your compound. Because you can plant it inside bowl, bag. It must not be like this, like you have to do this balloon something and plant it. So this is miracle leaf. And this is still guava. It's still growing. We have big tree. All those guava that you guys used to see in my vlog. This is where the big tree is, where they normally get it from. Kenya. Okay, Kenny, echokwanum n'ube. Some na video tem. Iye jide kuyona. Okay, that thing, that plant that he's showing you guys, wait to talk again, is what we call, no, it's called Odara tree, Agbalomo, yes, Agbalomo. That is, it's still growing, it's not yet mature. I was even thinking that thing was this thing. Pear ube. I don't know that is Udala Agbalomo, so it's still growing, and let's give it 2 years time. We'll be plucking a lot of Udalas Agbalomos from there. And what's this? Kenke biya deka. Kenke bunkobela. Nka deka ukwu aku. Iye lekose ni iye deka ji. Okay, nka bụ nkwụ. Palm tree. That's that one. Manon we yeli kose ni adeka ji. Okay. That's weed. Afifia, and this is pineapple. I've shown you guys the first pineapple, so it's 2 in this compound. This is guava tree. The big one. All those guavas that you guys used to see in my vlog is gotten from here. Yeah, see it. This thing is dark. Oh. See it here. See it here. Let me see it here. This one is not yet mature. I will show you guys. Hey. Oh, I will show you guys the ones I pluck. So this is guava. Hey, it's this one. This is guava. Let's pluck this one. Tree is very big. Oh. There is never a day that I will come to this compound and this tree will not have guava. Then, oh my days, oh my God. And this guava is always sweet. During dry season, that is more sweeter during dry season. Okay, during dry season. On a dry season, Kalea. So this was going on here. The end of today's mini farm tour. Yes, that is what I will call it. Mini farm. Hey, as in meaning mini farm tour. Yeah. You might think that nothing is in this tree, but the more you see, the more you look, the less you see. Okay, the more you look, the more you see. Oh, I could not Diego really. Come, let's eat. This morning we're having rice and stew as breakfast. Yeah, rice and stew. Was Okoti without showing you guys river. You know that this place is close to Riverline area, Abiopialomi. This is River Niger water, but not the main River Niger.
This is the main River Niger.
Yeah.
What also? This is the main.
Bridge and the Madonaga. Niger Bridge. Can you guys see that?
This is the second Niger Bridge. That first one is the first Niger Bridge.
Okay, this is River Niger.
This one is our village.
See canoe there. So this is River Niger. I can't move closer. Oh. I can't move. See the down. Yeah.